How to sync your contacts between your iPhone and MacBook. Now all you need to do is first head over to your iPhone like this, and just go and bring up your iPhone settings. Now click on your profile name at the top of this window, and you need to make sure that this Apple account here is the same Apple account that you're signed into on your Mac computer. Now click on iCloud from the list of options, and next to Save to iCloud, click on See All. You can then scroll down to Contacts and make sure this is turned on and enabled. Now once you've done this, let's head over to our MacBook. From your MacBook, click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side and press System Settings. Now click on your profile name in the top left hand side, and like I said, make sure this is the same Apple account that you're signed into on your iPhone. You could then scroll down the page and click on iCloud. Now click on See All. And if you scroll down, make sure your contacts is turned on and enabled like this. Once it's turned on, you can close out of this window. And if you go and open up the Contacts app on your MacBook, your contacts will now be syncing between both devices.